In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Drupal 9 directly on your cPanel. And to do this, I'm going to use an auto installer called Softaculous. So if you want to know how to install Drupal 9 using Softaculous auto installer, keep watching. This is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Drupal 9 using an auto installer called Softaculous. I've already logged into my cPanel account and I'm using Speedy Connect directadmin cPanel. So I'll scroll down to extra features and I click on Softaculous auto installer. Then I go to portals/CMS, click on it. Then I go down to Drupal. I click on install now. Now in here, you choose the version you want to install, and it's already version 9.1.5. That is the current version of Drupal 9. Next is protocol. You can choose any protocol you want, but you may want to consider using a secured protocol. So I leave it as such. Now, which domain do I want to install on? This is my main domain. I can decide to install on it, but I already have a website there. So I'll drop down the arrow and I'm going to install it on a subdomain. So I'll choose drupal.dikupages.com. I don't do any other thing here. Site name. In here, you pick the name of your website. You can even change this after installation. But I want to choose a name. So Drupal 9 site. I'll create a space in here. Admin. Instead of this, I'll put my own name, Sadiq. Then password, I want to change it, but first of all, I'll hide it. I don't want you to see my password. Perfect, is strong. Admin email. So this is an automatic email the system is generating. I want to use my own email account. It's already in here. From there, I don't do any other thing. I click on install. And Drupal will install in some few seconds. And there we go. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So I can click here to go to the home page of my website. Click. And here I am. So you can log in from here. So I click on login. Enter my username, password. Then I hit enter. And I've logged into my Drupal 9 website. So this is how we install Drupal using Softaculous auto installer. I hope you found value. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Until then, Salam.